All right, 30 seconds.
Counting. Wait, you're live.
Nu.
It's going.
Yoo-hoo.
All right, look at that. Look at that. The sound will come in 30 seconds. Pretty weird. Oh, it's going, it's going. Okay, we see it on the cloud. Wow. Ah, the sound is coming. Ah, here it is. Look at the sound. All right.
So are you guys happy now? Still.
You know what launch is? There's still, till the very moment where you say nominal, you're still nervous, but it's going well. It's going well. It's going well. It's going well.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, the fairing jettisoned, which is the encasing of where the satellites are encased, and now it's cruising. It's pretty much in space now, and they have to do pretty much the orbit correction now. Is that right?
Yeah, and they have to separate the satellites, of course, into the right orbit.
Separate the satellites, yes. So we're close. We're close. We're getting there. We're monitoring, and we're almost there. We haven't opened up the champagne yet.
Not yet.
But we're feeling pretty good, pretty happy so far.
So far?
So far.
That's great.
Yeah.
So when will we know when to open the champagne then?
Pretty damn soon.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
perfect.